Before starting a piece of pixel art, it's important to consider what colours you're going to use. Most pixel artists start their piece by defining their palette, which works as a base that can be adjusted and built on as the piece is developed. It's important to think about the mood of your piece, as well as how the lighting will impact your colours. Start by identifying the main colour of your piece and picking your first colour. For example, if you were to draw an apple, perhaps pick a shade of red somewhere in the middle of what your lightest and darkest shades will look like. You should also decide how many colours you want your piece to use. Pixel artists generally aim to use a minimal amount of colours, and each shade should ideally be easily distinguishable from another. You're free to choose which shades suit your piece best. If you are a beginner, I would advise making darker shades closer to a dark blue value and lighter shades closer to a light yellow value. This method will ensure good contrast between your colours when you're first starting out, but I'd advise doing better research into colour theory as you become more comfortable with pixels. Use this method to build your palette using the amount of colours you desire. The amount of colours you use is up to you, but generally speaking, smaller canvases work better with fewer colours. Too many colours can make a piece seem washed out and blurry. You can also start to add more colours to your palette from the start, or add colours when you're further into your piece. There's also nothing to stop you from adjusting your colours when the piece is finished using the Colour Select tool. Lots of beginners make the mistake of selecting colours that are too close together and not easily distinguishable to the eye. Don't be afraid to select colours that don't seem to blend as easily, as this is part of pixel art's charm. Choosing colours that blend too easily can make your piece seem muddy and blurred. In the next video, we'll look at how to draw an object's form. Thanks for watching.